Ransomware attacks are exploding. Your response matters. Ransomware attacks increased 105% in 2021. No one is immune from the financially devastating ransom and remediation costs that can balloon into millions of dollars. The actions you take in the first few hours of a ransomware attack have a huge impact on your organization's reputation, as well as the financial and data losses. Learn how to fight back against ransomware attacks. Join industry experts Sherry Davidoff and Matt Duran for an intensive ransomware response bootcamp at Black Hat USA 2022. You'll learn practical ransomware identification and remediation skills from industry response experts.
Ransomware is an epidemic. It's not a matter of if you get hacked, it's a matter of when. All IT professionals should learn how to quickly identify, triage, preserve evidence, and remediate an attack. Your knowledge could save your organization millions of dollars.
Gain exciting hands-on experience in LMG Security's virtual lab with continued lab access for an additional 90 days. Meet your instructors, Sherry Davidoff. Sherry is a GIAC certified forensic examiner and the CEO of LMG Security. Sherry has been called a security badass by the New York Times and is a noted author, speaker, and instructor at multiple international conferences. And Matt Duran. Matt is the Director of Training and Response at LMG Security. He is a published author as well as an instructor and speaker at multiple international conferences. Register now for this exciting 2-day class at Black Hat USA 2022.